the gloves you need a crochet hook and yarn. If you want to learn how to crochet, watch a video where I made beach bags. I put the link on the description. Measure the hand of the doll. Insert the hook on the last chain. And we start to crochet on this circle. We need to multiply for the part with the finger. Multiply, insert the hook on the same chain. Here will be the finger. Insert the hook on the other side. Let's crochet the part with the finger. Crochet in circle. To finish the finger, insert the hook not in the next chain, but in the other chain. Again, not in the next chain, but in the other chain. Cut the yarn, hook the yarn and pull it on the inside of the glove. Take yarn, insert the hook and continue to crochet the other side of the glove. This is one glove. You've bought gloves? Yes, I get ready for winter. The gloves are so fluffy and warm that I cannot keep them down.